Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly connect or integrate Ecwid onto your Wix website or store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So by doing this, you guys are able to import any data related to your Ecwid account as well as the products that are registered under your account over to Wix or vice versa. And you do so by having your Ecwid control panel open, which is what I have right now. And once you guys are here, you want to navigate to the dashboard and look for the option between settings and my profile that says apps. So when you hover over apps, you'll see app market, my apps, and custom development. So from here, click on app market, and then if you guys don't see Wix right away, what you can do is click on the search bar like so, and type down Wix. And here it is. Here's the application. So it's used for CMS or content management. So you want to click on it like so, and simply click on Get. So you'll be redirected to Wix's website, as you guys can see here. And from here, simply click on Add to Site, and what'll happen is Wix and Ecwid will work their magic and integrate with each other. So this way, you guys can use all of the features that would be available in Wix, including the website builder and whatnot, as well as branding over at Ecwid, and also vice versa. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.